Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best bowling ball spinner is probably one of the most useful tools for bowlers of all skill levels, promising to significantly improve your game by keeping your bowling balls clean, polished, and in top condition. From removing dirt and debris to restoring the surface's shine, a good spinner ensures optimal ball reaction and consistent performance on the lanes, ultimately helping you achieve higher scores and a more enjoyable bowling experience. This video will guide you through the process of selecting the perfect spinner for your needs. Number 5. Bowlerstore Personal Ball Spinner. This spinner is built to last. Its durable nylon construction ensures years of reliable performance. Experience a consistent spin every time, thanks to its precision machined bowl. Say goodbye to wobble and hello to smooth operation. It's completely portable. With its 115-volt operation and 8-foot cord, you can use it wherever you need it. The protective motor cap keeps dirt and debris out, extending its lifespan and ensuring reliable performance. It features a heavy-duty switch for easy operation and lasting reliability. You can count on it, time after time. Crafted from high-quality materials, it's built to withstand daily use. Enjoy years of consistent performance. What we like. It's built to last, spins perfectly, and you can take it anywhere. If you need a reliable and convenient way to maintain your bowling balls, this is the one for you. Its portability makes it perfect for bowlers on the go, ensuring consistent ball care wherever you are. This is a great option for leagues and tournaments. What people say. Works great, easy to use and lots of fast results for taking care of your bowling balls. The perfect spinner for just at-home use and when our bowling balls need to be resanded, or cleaned. It may be very pricey for what the average homeowner may use the spinner for, but worth it over the long run and get that money back. Great piece of gear for maintaining your gear and improving our game. The speed is perfect for polishing and resurfacing. I'm able to experiment with different surfaces instead of relying on the pro shop. Number 4. Brunswick Rotating Ball Cup. This innovative ball cup is designed for bowlers of all skill levels. It's compact and easy to use, making it perfect for the lanes or practice. It's incredibly portable, measuring just 3.9 centimeters in length, 18.9 centimeters in width, and 19.2 centimeters in height. This makes it easy to transport and store. Built to last, it's made from high-quality materials to withstand the rigors of frequent use. You can count on it to keep your bowling balls safe and organized. The rotating design allows for easy access to your bowling balls. Simply rotate to select your ball and get ready for your next throw. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, it's a must-have accessory for any bowler. It's the perfect way to keep your balls organized and protected. Brunswick is a trusted name in bowling, known for quality and innovation. This ball cup reflects the commitment to excellence. What we like. It's a great addition to your bowling accessories. If you're looking for a simple and functional way to rotate your bowling balls, and you like the color blue, this could be a good fit. Its compact size makes it easy to store and transport. What people say. Product is very easy to use, and holds ball well on any flat surface, and the bearings allow ball to spin very easily. Use it all the time when cleaning bowling balls. Works like charm. Well made. It's great to use while cleaning and great to use to practice if you need practice or watching your wrist. The same way you would throw it into the couch, instead place on a stand, put fingers inside and roll the motion. Number 3. Hammer Rotating Ball Cup. This innovative cup lets you easily maintain your bowling ball. It's designed for effortless cleaning and polishing. The ball rotates freely in all directions, ensuring a perfectly even clean every time. No more missed spots. Easily clean, polish, or sand your ball with this convenient tool. It simplifies your ball maintenance routine. It's small enough to fit in your bowling bag, yet tough enough to withstand regular use. Always have it on hand. Keep it in your bag for quick access to keep your ball in top condition. Game ready whenever you are. With its smooth rotation and compact design, it's the perfect accessory for any bowler. Get yours today. What we like. It's designed for ease of use and long-lasting performance. If you value convenience and efficiency when maintaining your bowling balls, this is a great choice. Its compact design makes it perfect for bowlers who want quick and easy access to their ball maintenance tools. What people say. Makes cleaning and resurfacing very easy. A great product for holding one of your bowling balls whilst you clean, sand, etc. Very pleased, good quality, use it every time bowling to clean my bowling balls. Compact size is also a pro. Number 2. Smart Orbit Ball Holder. This Smart Orbit is a game changer for bowlers. Its unique design makes cleaning and adjusting your bowling balls incredibly simple and efficient. It features a sturdy aluminum base and 100 chrome steel ball bearings for smooth, effortless rotation. The ABS plastic ball cup ensures gentle handling of your bowling balls. Cleaning your bowling balls has never been easier. Simply place it in the Smart Orbit and let it rotate, making cleaning a breeze. Need to make surface adjustments during practice? It allows for quick and easy access to your ball's surface for adjustments. See how smoothly it rotates and how easy it is to clean and adjust your bowling balls. It's the ultimate tool for any serious bowler. Upgrade your bowling game today with the Smart Orbit. It's the perfect addition to any bowler's equipment bag. What we like. It features a high-quality construction for smooth operation and effortless cleaning. If you're looking for a premium ball spinner that simplifies cleaning and adjustments, this is the one for you. The superior materials ensure longevity and consistent performance, making it a worthwhile investment for serious bowlers. What people say. Makes cleaning the ball a whole lot easier. Smooth spinning motion, nice and sturdy. When used with their Smart Star product, this thing makes resurfacing or polishing a breeze. This is a heavy-duty made stand, which allows for smooth easy spinning of your bowling ball to completely clean 1-2, and then flip for the other side. Number 1. Bowlerstore Personal Ball Spinner. Tired of waiting for the pro shop? Now you can maintain your bowling ball's surface yourself, anytime. It's the perfect tool for achieving peak performance. This 3 horsepower spinner makes sanding and polishing your bowling ball a breeze. Get that perfect surface quickly and easily, at home or on the go. Always be tournament ready. It's ideal for high school, college, and even national level bowlers. Maintain your competitive edge. It's incredibly user-friendly. Its elegant design makes it a joy to use, saving you time and effort. Don't rely on others to maintain your equipment. With this spinner, you're in control of your ball's performance. Get the perfect finish every time. Get yours today and experience the difference. It's the ultimate tool for any serious bowler. What we like. It's incredibly user-friendly and perfect for prepping your ball for competition. If you like to have control over your ball's surface and want to save time and money, this is a great option. It's ideal for bowlers who want to maintain their equipment themselves, saving trips to the pro shop and ensuring optimal ball performance. What people say. I purchased the ball spinner to better clean my bowling balls and to make it easier to sand them. The product arrived in a large box that was well designed to prevent damage. I first used the ball spinner on my kitchen countertop to clean my bowling balls, and it was probably 75% more effective than by hand. Using the brush with the ball spinner made this task easier and faster. I used the ball spinner to sand my Storm Proton Fizzy X bowling ball, and it took less than 5 minutes to complete the job, and it did a better job than hand sanding. When I got the ball spinner, I wasn't expecting it to be this well made, but it was. The electric cord well insulated and is sufficiently long enough to reach the plug on a counter or on the patio. There is a small amount of vibration, which was expected, but it's not a problem, and the ball spinner isn't going to be walking across the surface it's sitting on. As for noise, there's very little noise, and it would be easy to carry on a conversation with someone nearby or listen to the TV or radio without having to increase the volume. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.